Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2024 Aston Martin Vantage GT3, and this casting is by Hot Wheels. It's new for 2026. It's part of the main line. Still looks like a nice casting. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's a quick look before we deep dive into all the details. Looks to have some nice details though. I can see that from here. So here's the Aston Martin Vantage GT3, and it definitely looks good. I like the paint on this one. It looks really nice. And you can see it's mostly a more powerful version of the Vantage, so there are a lot of things which will be more focused on the track on this one. So I'm going to start with the front. You can see some nice details. You've got the headlamp, mostly blacked out. Aston Martin badge, big Aston Martin grille, low splitter. You can see a lot of vents in the hood and some in the fender too. Now, let's move to the driver's side. Surprisingly, it's a left-hand drive, not right-hand one. Those 5-spoke wheels you have seen on so many different. Well, it's not actually 5-spoke, but kind of that pattern. Seen on so many different Hot Wheels throughout the years. You can see modified fenders with a lot of aero going on. Side-mounted exhaust. Body kit continues. Flush door handle, mirror, which is good to have, and even the rear, like you can see, wheel arches are really big. They're like modified. On the back, you can see the big spoiler. Missed that. There is a splitter at the bottom. A lot of other vents. I think the tail lamp is here, but it's not painted, so missing that detail. On the passenger or co-driver side, looks almost identical. I think the fuel filler is right there. Inside mounted exhaust. If I look at the top, then again you can see nice detail on the windshield. There's a single, I don't know if it's a windshield wiper or it's like split in the windshield, but you have the Aston Martin written here, which looks good. And there's this opening. I don't know if it's that one of those aero brakes or something else. Obviously there's a roll cage in the back. There might be another roll cage inside. Not really visible. The tinted windows. Looks good though. This is how the base looks. So not a lot of details. Only you can see the diffuser here. That's it. For a main line, I think it's a nice looking casting, especially since they did some more Aston Martins in Premium too. And I think it looks good, especially in this color. Yeah, if you like British cars, you're definitely gonna like this. It's a good mainline casting. Can definitely use some details, but even without it, it looks nice. So those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.